just woke up after the City United game, and what a game it was. Looking at what was happening with United in the recent past games. Well, keeping that in mind, I was gonna upload a new video, but I was not sure when exactly I'm gonna upload it. So I think it's the right time. And talking about time, well, that's a great segue. I'll be making a wall clock, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So enough of talk, let's get with the video. So for the project, you're going to need this foam board or sun board, whatever we call it, for the clock. A dial, of course, and some tools for cutting. Earlier I tried this to make it on to a cardboard sheet, but that wasn't that sturdy. So I tried to change the material and I figured out a way to make it onto a sun board. Well, meanwhile, enjoy this time lapse. So this is how it looks, and you can pause the video anytime and take a screenshot of it on a full screen mode for your reference if you wish to make the exact same one. So now for cutting it, I'm using this X-Acto knife or pen knife, maybe that gives you more clean cutting than a normal cutter that you use. And this is how it looks. I don't know why I was taking this shot, but just to make the video longer, at least so that it goes more than 4 minutes. And the best part about this material is it's light enough and also is quite sturdy, so I really like the material. So let's get with the painting business, and I'm going to use acrylic paint. And I'm going to use a brown paint to give it a wooden effect, and I would recommend using broad brush. What happens is when you give it long strokes, it automatically gives you the wooden effect basically. And also because this is an acrylic paint, when it dries or maybe once it's done, it gives you a polished finish and a gloss as well on it, so it really looks nice. But you can use any color basically. I really liked this idea because it will show like a machine cut wooden clock. So once that's done, I've attached the dial to it, and I'm adding some height so that whenever I put this onto the wall, it's not just on the support of the dial. And I did not have a hook basically at home, so I used this woolen thread. You can use like a string, or if you get those ready-made hooks, that would be more sturdy in fact. Now just attach these arms of the dial, and I've made a trident as well out of paper, and I've stuck it onto it. Looks quite good. What do you think? And this is how it looks, and I'm really satisfied and happy with the outcome of this project. And I hope you guys also liked the video. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and wait for more videos to come. And until the next video, take care, stay safe.